Hey, automation marketing and how to manage multiple Instagram accounts. Hi guys, my name is Dirk. It's been a while that I shot this video for you, but hey, this is a question I got a lot lately, automation marketing and how to manage your multiple, especially Instagram account, because Instagram account or Instagram has been our expertise, so to say, for the last 3-4 years already. We've been able to create a multiple six-figure business online all through Instagram. So how do you do this? How do you, automation marketing, how do you automate your marketing in a way that you can manage multiple Instagram accounts? So you can, there are different reasons why you want to manage multiple accounts. Maybe you have clients where you run your accounts for, or you have, you just want to build an empire on Instagram and you want to create multiple Instagram accounts, but you're now wondering how can I manage them without being, stuck to my phone all day to actually really manage them. And you're logging in, logging out, and following and unfollowing and liking and commenting, sending direct messages. You can do that with maybe up to 2-3 accounns on a daily basis, but even more, it's most likely that you will get discouraged, or how do you say, you will stop doing it. You'll do every day, then you skip a day, then you skip 2 days, and before you know, it's a week past and you haven't done anything. So how do you manage multiple Instagram accounts? Well, what I said, this video is about automation marketing, and I believe that if you want to run, if you have a business, if you run a business, you should focus on automation as much as possible, so you can focus on the things that really matter in your business, where your strength lays, where your expertise, and also the things that you have more fun and it's more enjoyable to do. Working on your Instagram on your phone is just not always that fun. I mean, that's with most things. If you have to do them day in, day out, you get bored. And you probably into this business to maybe walk away from your job, or really expand your business in a way that you can work less and not more. So work smarter than harder instead of harder. So how do you do that? Well, over the last, like I said, a couple of years, we've been building a successful business online. We have many students in our Freedom Lifestyles Academy that following our program, and we have set up a digital course actually where we teach how to do this automation, and all through a platform that now is called Jarvee. By the time maybe you see this, maybe it's a different platform, because time flies and time passes, the internet changes, the algorithm changes, companies come and companies go. So be assured that if things change, we will adapt and change as well. So let me share my screen to show you what I see, what I mean here. Actually, this is one of my accounts, and it's almost 66,000 followers, and it's built through a system that is called, through a program that's called, let me show you here, that is called Jarvee. And this program, you find a link below this video as well, where you can get to the right page where you can get a 5-day free trial. But this program takes care of many things for us in automation. So if I show you the program here in action, you see that I run up to, in this Jarvee program, up to 70 accounts. For this purpose on this video, I hide all the names, because that is what I will do. But as you see, I create new accounts. These are all new accounts. I haven't really done anything with them, and these are quite new. And if I turn them around, you see that there are a lot older accounts with many more followers. So how do you do this, and what do you do this? How do you manage? Because if you want to grow your accounts, there are several strategies you can go from. This strategy is fully automation, and in automation I do follow and unfollow, and there are different opinions about this. I find it to be very effective and works, but if you use the right settings and if people engage with you, you do not want to unfollow them. And how do but how do you do that? How do you keep track of it? Because if you do this manually, following and unfollowing, but that person commented on that post, so I should not unfollow him or her, it's almost impossible, right? And so this program takes care of that if the right settings, if you put the right settings in, because as I said, you can only follow so many people and unfollow many. So, but if you unfollow them right away, it's spammy. You don't want to be spammy. You want to be very interactive and active. It's a social media platform. So you can do so many things. It's about reposting. You can follow, you unfollow, you can, like I said, repost, contact, you can send out direct messaging, but you can also set out a second or third message, so you can actually have sort of a conversation with them and attract them and drive them to another purpose. And if we go back to the Instagram account here, you see that I have a link here, and this is the best part of automation, is that you do not want to send them to, let's say, just your offer straight away. You do not want to send them to, well, maybe you were promoting a company, or you have a company. Let's say, I used to have a restaurant. I would never send a customer or somebody click on a link straight to my restaurant website. Why? Because I don't know. I cannot track them. I cannot communicate. I cannot build relationship with them. People are always in a hurry. So, you know how it goes. People sit and waiting for the bus. They click this link. They see my website. Oh, the bus comes and they're gone. So you want to have the opportunity to send them emails and build that relationship. Or you want to attract them to, let's say, a Facebook group or Facebook community where you can build that relationship with them. So, as you see here, if I, for example, click this link, and hopefully it works. Last time I did this in a video, it was an error, but voila, here it comes. How this former restaurant owner went from bankruptcy to now making 6 figures online, living in Costa Rica with an ocean view. And that is a capture page, and when people click this link, you see that, this is completely into a business that I'm doing. But you can even do this for a restaurant business. I used to do this for a restaurant business when we still had them. I would offer a free bottle of house wine when people made a reservation for two, a 3-course meal. So 2 people came, 3-course meal, they get a free bottle of house wine if they left their information and, print out a voucher or a screen, something that they had to take so I could verify and also know that, hey, it's working. But what happened after that, I could now send them, for example, the new menu. Or I could send them, if we have a special event, I could connect with them. So they came in once, but now I can repurpose the customers almost. So, that being said, this is automation. And what happens with them, you see here, this is one of our autoresponders. And for example, for this 35 people yesterday showed interest in what we had to offer. All automation. While I'm shooting this video, for example, people are subscribing. Let's see what happens if we refresh. Maybe somebody, the day just got started. No new subscribers right now, but the day just got started, and I'm very hopeful and confident that things are happening. Why? Because I know that this process is just continuing. As you see, there are many accounts, some new, some old, all running perfectly, no errors whatsoever. I see here. So if you want to learn that, then we have an Instagram training available with the exact, always updated settings from Jarvee, because we always stay in contact with this company because they are the providers of the software. So it's very important to have always the latest and updated version of the settings. And we do a lot of testing and pushing the boundaries and see where that limit lies. Before things start to happen and errors occur. So if you want that, then the first link below this video will bring you to the Instagram Mastery course, the Instagram traffic selling system, because you can automate everything. You can even do more accounts, but I run 70 because it's working, and that's perfectly fine. But as you see, I take you to the whole setup on the basics of Instagram, the myths, the algorithms and stuff like that, your feed, the hashtags, how to use them, the best caption, but also your bio and when to post. And the funnel I mentioned of the capture page, I show you exactly how to build a funnel here that works, including a bridge video, and you can actually copy my best converting funnel right here. And of course, preparation, what to do, proxies and tools. You have to keep in mind that you, of course, need to get Jarvee and what's called a VPS, a virtual desktop, that will run, so you're actually running your accounts in a cloud. But this will help you, this program, never to log into your accounts on your phone. You don't have to log in on your phone. You can all do it from your desktop, and that is freedom. Automation. Automation marketing. So where to buy proxies, adding proxies, and here all the settings one by one, and you see only follows a long video, all quite short videos, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. I take you through the whole process, and there's always troubleshooting, so there will be added new videos. You know, if there's some update, you will find them here, and if you like, there is also a Facebook community for support, so you will never be alone. So if you want this, if you want to learn this, then go ahead, click the button below this video and get access to the Instagram Mastery course. And for you, especially here on YouTube, I created a coupon code. It is next to that, it's YouTube25. Feel free to use it, so it gives you a great head start, and you can invest the money that you save into Jarvee and into the tools that you need. But this is how automation marketing works, and if you have a business, automation should be your focus. But learn it, and thus with that, you know, don't waste time in trial and error trying to find free videos or free settings, because although a lot of love and care is put in those videos, time passes and you cannot update YouTube videos. So be careful with that. It's a business, so don't lose time with that. So that being said, I hope this was helpful, this video, so you got a clear idea of what is possible, how to automate your Instagram account, and you know, and where to do this in a structured way, and what programs you can follow, and of course where to find the best updated settings. So go ahead, click the link, get access to the training, and I'll see you inside. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this, and give me a thumbs up if you found this valuable, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye guys.